morning to all. Class, first standard, subject, maths, lesson, numbers. Previous video, we learnt addition using beads and addition using fingers. Today we will learn about subtraction. In mathematics, subtract means to take away from a group or a number of things. When we subtract, the number of things in the group reduce or become less. Subtraction is just the opposite of addition. Subtraction is a mathematical operation that tells us the difference between two numbers. Other names for subtraction are subtract, minus, less, decrease, take away, fewer, leave, and difference. The sign for subtraction is minus. Let us learn subtraction from this story. There is a mango tree in the forest. Can you tell how many mangoes in the tree? Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 mangoes in the tree. Look at there. From 6 mangoes, 2 mangoes fell down. Now count the number of mangoes left in the tree. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 mangoes. There are 4 mangoes left in the tree. So we can write 6 minus 2 equal to 4. One fine morning, some rabbits came out of their home to eat carrots. Count the number of carrots ate by one rabbit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 carrots. Listen, from 5 carrots, the rabbit has ate 2 carrots. Now count the number of carrots left. 1, 2, 3. Yes, there are 3 carrots left. Great. There are 5 rabbits eating the carrots. 2 rabbits has gone home after eating the carrots. Kids, now guess how many rabbits remaining them? 1, 2, 3. 3 rabbits remaining. From 5 rabbits, 2 rabbits went to home. Now 3 rabbits only eating the carrots. So 5 minus 2 equal to 3. Next, take away. Subtraction means to take away. See the picture. There are 3 apples in the basket. Now 1 apple is take away from the basket. How many apples left in the basket? Yes, there are 2 apples left. Good. See the practice. First question. There are 6 lollipops in the plate. Look at there. A little boy take away 1 lollipop from the plate. Listen carefully. From 6 lollipops, 1 lollipop take away from the plate. Now tell me how many lollipops left in the plate? Yes, there are 5 lollipops left in the plate. So write number 5 in the box. Next question. Here there are 4 cows drinking water in the river. After drank the water, 1 cow move away from other cows. Listen, from 4 cows, 1 cow move away. Now tell me how many cows left? Yes, there are 3 cows left. So write number 3 in the box. Next, Subtract. We already learnt minus is the sign for subtraction. See the picture. There are 5 laddus in the bowl. 2 laddus take away from the bowl. Now how many laddus left in the bowl? Yes, there are 3 laddus left. See the practice. First question. Look at the picture. What is this? Yes, this is one branch of tree. Okay, how many leaves in this branch? There are 8 leaves. So write number 8 in the box. Look at there. 2 leaves fell down from 8 leaves. Now guess how many leaves left in the branch? Yes, there are 6 leaves left. Good. So write number 6 in the box. Next question. There are 9 bats in the branch. So write number 9 in the box. See the next picture. 4 bats fly away from 9 bats. Now tell me how many bats left in the branch? Yes, there are 5 birds left in the branch. So write number 5 in the box. Next, complete the subtraction fact by circling. First, look at the subtraction fact. 7 minus 3 equal to 4. Look at the picture. How many birds are there? Yes, there are 7 birds. What number is this? Yes, number 3. So we circle 3 birds only. Now, count the number of birds left. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 birds. 4 birds left. See the practice. Complete the subtraction fact by circling. First question. How many goats are there? Yes, there are 5 goats. What number is this? Yes, number 2. So we circle 2 goats only. Now count the number of goats left. 1, 2, 3. 3 goats left. So we get the subtraction fact. 5 minus 2 equal to 3. Similarly, find the subtraction fact for next question. How many capsicums are there? Yes, there are 6 capsicums. What number is this? Yes, number 4. So we circle 4 capsicums. Now count the number of capsicums left. 1, 2. 2 capsicums left. So we write number 2 in the box. Now we get the subtraction fact. 6 minus 4 equal to 2. Next, complete the subtraction fact by striking. First question. See the picture. How many cabbages are there? There are 4 cabbages. Next, what number is this? Yes, number 3. So we striking 3 cabbages. Now how many cabbages left? Yes, only 1 cabbage is left. Similarly, complete the subtraction fact by striking. Today we learnt subtraction with more examples and practices. I ask one question. What is the sign for subtraction? Yes, minus is the sign for subtraction. Today's homework. Thank you, students.